My new Samsung Bespoke Dishwasher has started leaking quite a bit of water. The internal leak sensor detected the leak and stopped the dishwasher and automatically drained it. The 1-year warranty concluded about 2 months ago, so I'm going to see if I can resolve this issue myself. On the left side, we have the water inlet funnel. I can see dried water stains out of it, going all the way down to the leak capture pan underneath. What's surprising is that I actually found another leak as well. Mind you, this is a brand new dishwasher. We only started using it a few months ago. The other leak is on the other side, where the dryer section is. Again, I can see water stains out of it leading all the way down to the leak capture pan below. From inside, I went ahead and took a look at the water inlet output area. Here I can see the problem. The storm wash wheel below is actually spraying high pressure water into the opening, causing the water to enter the funnel and splash right out of it from the other side. This is a major design flaw in my opinion. Here, let me show you. We will turn on the machine using a storm wash option. As you can see here, the storm wash has not kicked in yet, and we can already see water entering and slightly splashing around in there. And now the storm wash has started, and all this water is splashing right out of the air openings at the top of the funnel. This is not really something that's fixable. Either we don't use the storm wash feature, or we always make sure we have a plate or something up against that opening to prevent the high pressure water from directly entering it. As you can see, once I block that opening with the plate, there's absolutely no water splashing out of it anymore. Okay, let's move on to see what we can do about the other leak. To take a look at the seal that the water is leaking out of, we will need to twist off the 2 vents that are holding the dryer section onto the case from the other side. We will want to hold that section with our hand because as soon as we take this off, it's gonna just fall right out. This is the seal that it's leaking from. It's actually a bit dirty and I went ahead and ordered another one. You can find the seal on Amazon. The link is in the description of this video. Before replacing, I'm going to go ahead and use vinegar and baking soda mixture to clean up these stains, so that the new seal will sit flat right up against the metal. But be very careful, this opening is very sharp and it will definitely cut you. Also, this seal continued to leak the first time I tried to replace it, and so I went ahead and used this grease to successfully and completely stop the leak. You can also find the link to this grease in the description of this video. Don't be afraid to apply ample amount of this grease, both onto the back and the front areas of the seal. You can also use this multi-purpose grease on many other projects around the house. It's awesome to have and it's very useful. Putting back this dryer assembly is actually quite easy. Just push it up against the side where the seals make contact in the right locations. And while you're holding that in place, use your other hand to twist the vents from the inside and lock them in. Read the labels on the vents, they tell you which direction to twist them. Well, thanks for watching and I hope you found this video informative.